When my therapist suggested I make videos of my art process as a means of communication and teaching and finding people out there in the world whom I might resonate with, I was resistant. I already go through my days constantly feeling like the real world is too noisy. The online world is saturated with voices and opinions, and I wasn't sure I had anything of value to contribute. I discussed with her about how much of my art was just learning from other people who had shared their knowledge freely online. Making videos of that then seemed a bit derivative. She pointed out that instead of feeling that my work wasn't worthy of being shared, I could end up touching someone's life in a way that made them feel seen or safe, or that I might provide a few moments of something peaceful in a world that is so chaotic and loud. I liked that way of looking at it. Making art makes me feel calm and intentional in a way meditation has never done for me. I don't always know where I'm headed when I start. What I do know is that it's okay if I mess up, because there's no real life consequence to that. It's awesome when it works out, and I learn from it when it doesn't. And most of all, I really love the idea that when I create something like this piece of art, it's the only one out there on this whole planet. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. I'll also really love it if you subscribe to my channel for updates on future videos. I hope you remember to be kind to yourself and take some time to do something that makes your soul happy.